Hey y'all, welcome back. Telling the truth. I am Queen Emoja. For all those that are new, thank you for joining me here this morning. So I wanted to give y'all a spirit animal read for today. Just to give you an idea of what your spirit animal is saying to you today. Take the energy how it resonates. And it's going to be a 3-card pull. Let's go, Spirit, please and thank you. What's the energy, Spirit? What's the spirit animal you want us to hear from today, Spirit? What's the spirit animal you want us to hear from today, Spirit? Please and thank you. What is the spirit animal you want us to hear from today? Please and thank you. Okay. So we got the coyote. We got the lion in reverse. And we got the dragon. So the coyote reads, "This is a reminder to not take things too seriously and bring more balance between wisdom and playfulness. You might need to lighten up about a matter that has been in your mind for a while." Okay, so somebody needs to lighten up about something that's been on your mind for a while. And the lion in reverse, it says, if you have moderate aggressive impulses, this is an invitation to control your temper. You are encouraged to explore how to express your needs and thoughts more openly and constructively to reduce your level of frustration. So Spirit is saying to relinquish control a little bit. Learn how to be playful. Learn how to lighten up. And last of all is the dragon passion. The dragon is a reminder of your strong will and fiery personality.